Data structures and algorithms, DSA. Observing very clearly, DSA stands for data structures and algorithms. It is a way of organizing the data efficiently and designing the step-by-step procedure to solve the problem. Here, two things, data structures plus algorithms. Data structure means it is a way of organizing and storing the data efficiently. Okay, first we need to understanding what is the data structure. Okay, what is meant by data structure? It is a way of storing, organizing, organizing and storing data effectively or efficiently. Data efficiently. That is called data structure. Data structure means it is a way of organizing and storing the data efficiently. Storing the data efficiently. Next one, observing very clearly what is algorithm. 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 Observing very clearly, it is a step-by-step procedure to solve the problem. Okay, it is a step-by-step procedure. Step-by-step procedure to solve the problem optimally. Okay, that is the dividing into two steps to solve the problems optimally. Okay, now data structures plus algorithms. Data structure plus algorithms is equal to DSA. Data structures plus algorithms. Now, simply final definition, it is a way of organizing and storing the data efficiently. Okay, DSA definition, efficiently and designing step-by-step procedure, step-by-step procedure to solve the problems optimally. That is the definition for DSA. It is a way of organizing and storing the data efficiently and designing the step-by-step procedure to solve the problems optimally. This is about DSA. Okay, now simply observing very clearly, data means that is a raw fact. Algorithms means process. Okay, on top of the data, we can apply the algorithms. Algorithms, we will get useful information. We will get useful information. Now, simply observing very clearly, for suppose this is the data. This is the data, raw fact. Data means raw fact. On top of this data, we can apply the algorithms. We can apply the algorithms. We can apply the algorithms like as a process. We can process the data. We will get useful information. We will get useful information. Okay, we will get useful information. That is our output. Okay. Data is a raw fact that can be processed. We will get useful information. How to process? We are applying some algorithms. We are applying some algorithms. All of you clear? This is about DSA definition, data structures and algorithms. It is a way of organizing and storing the data efficiently and designing the step-by-step procedure to solve the problem optimally. Why we are learning DSA? Why we are learning DSA? Why learn DSA? Why learn DSA? Observing very clearly, improve the problem solving skills. Improve the improve the improve the improves problem solving skills. Improve the problem solving skills. That means it helps break the complex problems into simple and logical steps. Next one, optimize the code efficiency. To optimize the code efficiency. Code efficiency. Optimize the code efficiency. Next one, observing very clearly, it is essential for interviews. It is essential for interviews. Okay, if you want to attend or if you are attending any company interview, either a MNC company or normal startup companies also, we are facing one technical round. In the technical round, we are giving one coding question based on DSA. Okay, without DSA concept, there is no interview. If your dream is to get the job in the product-based companies like Google, Meta, okay, Mang companies, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, compulsory we need to require DSA concept. Essential for interviews. Most product-based companies ask DSA problems in the technical round. In the technical round, it is essential for interviews. Next one, it is a strong foundation for advanced topics. It is a strong foundation for advanced topics. Advanced topics like AI, machine learning, system design. Okay, this is also one role in the IT, system design engineers. Okay, if you want to go to system design engineers, okay, SRE, okay, different job roles are there. We need to require Python. That means not a DSA. Okay, system designing. Next one, better career opportunities. Better career opportunities. Okay, for suppose three people to apply the same job role, but one person to add DSA skills in the resume, simply company to hiring that person only. Okay, better career opportunities. Okay, career opportunities. Okay, these are the reasons. Improve the problem solving skills, optimize the code efficiency, essential for interviews, strong foundation for advanced topics, better career opportunities. Okay, different algorithms are there, like as a list, arrays, list, linked list, okay, stacks, queues, Okay, hash table, dictionaries, that means trees, graphs. Okay, different type of data structures are there. In our day-to-day life activity, we are using these algorithms, these data structures. For suppose if you want to arrange the data in the sorting order, for example, okay, if you want to place your books in your cupboard in the sorting order, or if you want to place your things in the sorting order, every day we are using in our live scenarios. Best example, arrays and the list concept and a linked list. Okay, implement the undo functionality. Implement the undo functionality means, for example, in your notepad or paint or anywhere, we are erasing something. Now I want to get a previous one. Undo operations we are performing. Undo, redo operations. Next, stack. Okay, stack, stacks, queues, priority queues also there. Okay, task scheduling and printing the jobs. Okay, different data structures we are using in our day-to-day life activity. The Google Maps we are using like graphs algorithms. For suppose in our day-to-day life activity, searching algorithms, find an element in the sorting array or sorting, either merge sort or quick sort we are using. Merge sort or quick sort we are using. Next one, recursion and the graph travel cells. Okay, either dynamic programming, different scenarios are there. Next, our scenario, why we are choosing Python for DSA? Why we are choosing Python for DSA? Why choose Python for DSA? Why choose Python for DSA? It is a already we'll discussing simple and readable syntax. Simple and readable syntax. Simple and readable syntax. Rich built-in data structures. Rich built-in data structures. Built-in data structures. Rich built-in data structures. Use standard library. Use standard library. Use standard library. Rapid development. Rapid development. Rapid development. Just wait. Telling very clearly, rapid development. Rapid development. That means faster development. Write and test code quickly. Great community support. Great community support. Great community support. At the same time, versatile. It is a versatile. Simply observing very clearly, useful for DSA, web application development, data science, AML, and more. It is best for learning and practice. It is best for learning and practice. Where DSA using in the networking, we are using DSA. Everywhere we are using DSA. Gaming applications, we are using DSA. AML applications we are using DSA, build the databases or creating the database design. In that case also we are using DSA to build operating systems. We are using DSA. Mobile applications we are using DSA concept. Web development also we are using DSA. That means everywhere in the IT internally we are using DSA concept. DSA is very, very important. All of you clear? This is about DSA, data structures and algorithms. If anybody any doubt,